Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my new video. So let's see the analysis for tomorrow for Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if you have watched my yesterday's video and the analysis what I have shared yesterday. So in yesterday's analysis for Nifty, first let's see Nifty and then we'll go to Bank Nifty. So the levels which I have shared is this one. So if we talk about the levels, so levels which I have shared yesterday was the 17,100 levels. So 17,100 was on the upside, but I mentioned that if Nifty breaks 16,800 levels, that is this one here somewhere, then we could see a more downside movement in Nifty, and that's what happened today. So today was like we already have the RBI meeting, and that this was the effect of the announcement which we got that the repo rate has been increased by 40 bps. That is the current repo rate is 4.40% as a standing. So because of that news, it impacted, and we could see a sell off in Nifty and in Bank Nifty also. So if we see the sell off here, Bank Nifty was not able to sustain 16,800 levels, and it fall from the same level. So the next level which we consider was this one, 16,600, but 16,600 it took a support from there and it moved up, but it still is not going up during the closing, and tomorrow is expiry. So what we can consider now, the 16,600 level, that is 16,800 level will act as a resistance for us, and basically once if Bank Nifty tomorrow gives a opening, a positive opening, which is like very rare that it could give a positive opening, but if it gives a positive opening and it tries to move up, but we'll wait for the confirmation and Nifty to cross this resistance, because now for going long in Nifty we have to wait for the confirmation after today's fall. So once Nifty is able to cross this level, then only we can create I would say like intraday short position. So intraday short long positions basically can be created above this levels. So this is what I'm expecting for Nifty. Similarly, upper side I have anyways mentioned, so 16,800 and above. And on the downside, what we can consider, might be Nifty can go below if it breaks 16,600 level in the morning itself or after market opening. So we can create more short position in intraday in Nifty. So this is my view for Nifty. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. So if we talk about Bank Nifty, so let's see. So first I'll tell you like what I discussed in yesterday's video, and then we can see the Bank Nifty position. So yesterday I mentioned it clearly that if Bank Nifty is able to cross 36,400 level, that is this levels on the upper side, then we can expect upward movement in Bank Nifty. But from the morning itself, after opening, we saw that the Bank Nifty was not even able to sustain here around 36,200 100 level also, and it started coming down. And after the event, actually after the RBI governor come and it declared about the banks and the repo rate and all those things, it actually we got a quite a sell off in Bank Nifty after that, and it break it a major support. So what support I discussed yesterday was the first one, what I am expecting was 35,800. So it actually got broken before the meeting itself, but during the meeting it broke a major support of 35,500, which was this one here, and it fell down with good volumes here. Now what can we expect for tomorrow? Tomorrow, if we don't get any positive opening, which is very rare, we'll get any positive, but if we get some positive opening, again we will wait for confirmation. We will wait for at least, I will wait for like to go long in Bank Nifty, at least it has to break this 35,800 levels. Before it breaks 35,800 levels, we couldn't go long in Bank Nifty. Similarly, on the downside, if I see it started coming down, on the downside is like it has almost touched 35, 100, 200 levels, 100 levels today. So the next level it can go is 35,000, which is a major support again. So for tomorrow, actually, this one will act as a resistance for me. The earlier support, that is 35,800 levels, and this will act as a, so now the next support will be 35,000, and if it breaks, we can create more short positions in Bank Nifty in the intraday. So this were the some of the analysis which I wanted to share. And as I mentioned today in my Twitter as well, that I got a very good decay in my overnight position. So there was no point in keeping the premiums, which was not worth it. And since I was able to book 1%, so I just exited all my position, but I did an entry after the meet and I shorted calls, and I got a very good profit on top of 1%. So this is how you do like your risk management, your booking profits, as I mentioned earlier as well. So risk management is very important, but booking profit is equally important. So this is all I want to share with you all. So thank you everyone, and see you again in my next video. Thank you.